It's time to make the box of TNT explode. We have our box of TNT and we have our detonator. What remains is to enable them to communicate so we can blow up our box. Okay, I need to go into my detonator scene, so I'll double click that. And I'm hoping this is going to be pretty easy. In fact, I'm hoping it's only one line of code. So we've already got our function that runs if the player detector detects the player, okay? So if you remember, the player jumps on the detonator with its player detector detects the player, sends a signal to this script to say it's detected the player. This function runs and it makes the animation play, which moves the handle of the detonator downwards. We just need to do one more thing, which is call up the exploding boxes and make them explode. So to do that, we type the command get tree, and we put the parentheses on, and then we put a dot, and then we go call group, and you'll notice that comes up straight away. So it kind of knows what we're trying to do. Double click. We have to put a couple of things in the parentheses. First thing is the name of the group we're calling. And you will see that it gives you hints. So immediately we start doing this, a little pop-up appears, and it gives us, it tells us what we need to be doing. So the group we are calling is Explodables. You have to remember how you spelt it. And the second thing, so we put in a comma. And the second thing is the function we want to run after we've contacted our group Explodables. And that function is explode. Explode. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I pressed enter, shouldn't have pressed enter. That should be it, our job complete. So get tree.callGroup Explodables explode. Save it. Back to our level template. Not sure where I left this, but I have deleted the exploding box and I've deleted the detonator. Let's put the exploding box in first. So level template is selected as the parent. Click chain. Instance in exploding box. It appears at the origin, so I can move it. I'm going to move it to the end there. I notice that I haven't done something in exploding box, which is click that. So I'm going to go into my exploding box scene. I'm going to go to the top and I'm just going to click this little icon here. All that means is that I can't accidentally move any of the child nodes, that I always move the parent node and all its children as one. So that's that done. I'm going to click save. Back into the level template. You'll see it's updated it already. Let's first check and see if we can walk up to the box of TNT but not walk through it. In other words, let's just check our collision layers are working. That's pretty good. We can jump on it, we can walk up to it, but we collide with it, we don't walk through it. That's great, stop the game. Back up to level template, click on it. Click on the chain. Instance in detonator. That appears in our scene tree. Again, it's at the origin, so I can just move it. I'm going to put it in the pit again. That looks good. And now let's see. Oh, so my game is already running, so I just refresh it with this icon here. Now let's see if I can blow up the exploding box. So jump on the detonator. The box explodes, and I can make progress in the game. And I think we've made a bit of progress in our game. I think we've had enough practice at animation now, and I think in our next section we will create the enemy. I hope to see you there.